Ever feel overwhelmed by the blogging world, unsure where to start or how to reach your goals? The blogging universe can seem like a vast and daunting expanse. You might have a million ideas floating around in your head, but figuring out how to transform those ideas into captivating blog posts is another story. You might be dreaming of financial freedom, but unsure how to monetize your blog effectively. Or perhaps you yearn to create a personal brand that resonates with your readers, but you're not sure how to make your unique voice heard amidst the cacophony of online content. And then, there's the ultimate dream of building a community, a loyal following of readers who eagerly await your every post, engage with your content, and even contribute their own ideas and insights. But how do you connect with your audience on a meaningful level? How do you foster a sense of community in the digital realm? The truth is, blogging is not just about writing, it's about strategizing, it's about understanding your audience, delivering high-quality content, and constantly refining your approach based on feedback and results. It's about navigating the SEO landscape, harnessing the power of social media, and leveraging various monetization strategies. It's about resilience, persistence, and the drive to keep learning and growing. But here's the good news. You don't have to embark on this journey alone. You don't have to reinvent the wheel or learn everything through trial and error. You don't have to feel lost or overwhelmed. Because we're here to guide you every step of the way. We're here to equip you with the tools, strategies, and insights you need to succeed in the blogging world. We're here to help you refine your content strategy, develop a clear and effective blogging roadmap, streamline your content creation process, and save time and effort with ready-made templates. We're here to empower you to achieve your blogging goals, whether that's financial freedom, personal branding, community building, or all of the above. You're not alone in this journey. We've got the perfect tools and training to help you succeed. Imagine having a clear plan, tailored to your unique goals and audience. That's what our content strategy workshops provide. Welcome to the heart of our program, the Content Strategy Workshops. These sessions are designed to help you refine and perfect your content strategy. We'll guide you through a thoughtful process of topic selection, ensuring that every blog post you create resonates with your audience and aligns with your overall goals. Next, we dive into the world of search engine optimization, or SEO. It's no secret that SEO can feel like a maze of uncertainty, but we're here to demystify it for you. We'll show you how to optimize your content so that it ranks higher in search results, attracting more traffic to your blog and increasing your online visibility. But we don't stop there. We also delve into audience targeting. Because, let's face it, even the most beautifully crafted blog post won't make an impact if it doesn't reach the right people. We'll help you identify your target audience and understand their needs, interests, and online behavior. This way, you can craft content that truly speaks to them, fostering a deeper connection. So, what's the benefit of all this? Well, with a refined content strategy, you're increasing your chances of achieving financial freedom and building a strong personal brand. By producing high-quality targeted content, you can attract a loyal audience, monetize your blog, and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. But the best part about our workshops? They're not just about learning, they're about applying what you've learned and seeing real results. We'll work with you to create a clear, actionable plan that aligns with your goals and caters to your audience. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, it's a strategy that's as unique as you are. With our workshops, you're not just learning, you're refining your strategy for success. Navigating the blogging world can be confusing, but what if you had a roadmap to guide you? Picture this, a step-by-step blueprint that leads you through the entire blogging journey. A roadmap that demystifies the process, making blogging a joy rather than a chore. Let's start at the beginning, the all-important niche selection. It's easy to overlook, but selecting the right niche is like choosing the right shoes for a marathon. It can be the difference between a smooth journey or a journey filled with blisters and pains. Our roadmap helps you identify a niche that aligns with your passion and has a potential audience. So you're not just blogging into the void, you're connecting with people who share your interests. The next step on the roadmap is content creation. This isn't just about stringing words together, it's about crafting valuable content that solves problems, answers questions, and engages your audience. Our roadmap provides you with strategies and techniques to create compelling content that resonates with your readers. Then we move on to the exciting part, monetization strategies. This is where the rubber meets the road on your blogging journey. It's where you start to see the fruits of your labor. Our roadmap introduces you to various monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering services. We guide you on how to choose the best strategy that aligns with your blog's goals and audience. And let's not forget about marketing and promotion. A blog without readers is like a concert without an audience. Our roadmap shows you how to effectively market your blog, attract readers, and build a loyal audience. Finally, we wrap up with scaling and automation. This is where you take your blog from a hobby to a business. Our roadmap guides you on how to scale your efforts and automate processes so your blog can grow and thrive even when you're not actively working on it. With our roadmap, you're not just blogging, you're on a clear path to success. Content creation takes time, but what if you could streamline the process? Imagine a world where you can produce high-quality content without the usual stress and time constraints. That's where content planning templates and tools come into play. Think of these tools as your personal content creation assistants, always ready to lend a hand and simplify the process. They are designed to help you map out your content strategy, making sure that you're always one step ahead. So what exactly are these content planning templates? They are pre-structured outlines that serve as a guide for your content. Whether you're planning a blog post, a podcast episode, or a video script, these templates give you a clear structure to follow, ensuring you never miss a beat. But that's not all. We also have a suite of tools designed to complement these templates. These tools can help you with everything from keyword research to SEO optimization, all aimed at ensuring your content gets the visibility it deserves. These tools and templates are designed to save you time. With them, you no longer have to start from scratch every time you sit down to create content. You have a clear direction and structure to follow, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of content creation. And the best part? These tools are not just for experienced bloggers. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the game for a while, these tools can make your content creation process more efficient. Remember, creating content is not just about quantity. It's about producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. And that requires careful planning and strategizing. With our tools, you're not just creating content, you're creating it smarter and faster. So why not give them a try? Streamline your content creation process, save time, and produce better content. After all, as a blogger, your content is your currency. Make sure it's worth every minute you spend creating it. Technical aspects of blogging can be daunting, but what if you could bypass them? Imagine having a toolkit at your disposal, filled with pre-designed blog post templates and website themes. These are not your run-of-the-mill templates. We're talking professional, sleek, and modern designs that align with your brand and captivate your target audience. Instead of wrestling with code and design principles, you can channel all your energy into what truly matters: content creation. Consider the hours you'll save and the headaches you'll avoid. Whether you're posting a recipe, sharing a travel experience, or dishing out financial advice, there's a template ready for you. And the best part? These templates are fully customizable. You can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to your heart's content. So, you still get to inject your unique style and personality into your blog. With our templates, you're not just blogging, you're blogging with ease. You've heard how we can help you succeed. Now it's time to take action. Picture this: a personal guide, someone who truly understands the ins and outs of blogging, walking with you every step of the way. That's what you get with our one-on-one training. Imagine having access to a wealth of knowledge tailored specifically to your blogging needs. We're talking about invaluable insights into content strategy, a clear roadmap for your blogging journey, and a suite of tools to streamline your content creation process. Plus, you'll have ready-made templates at your disposal to make your life even easier. This isn't just a course, it's a partnership. A partnership aimed at helping you realize your blogging dreams, be it financial freedom, location independence, or creating an impactful personal brand. So don't sit on the sidelines. Don't just dream about success. Sign up for our one-on-one training today and start your journey to becoming a successful blogger.